In today's video, we are going to talk about how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 fast. Myself Mohammed Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of your Windows 10 and from there go to your update and security. From here, check your system for updates and make sure you have installed all the updates that are there and your system is also up to date. This might solve the problem that you are facing with your USB device. After you are done with this step, I'll just minimize it and I'll move ahead. Now, search for Device Manager in your system. Here it is. Just open this one and I'll maximize it. Now, from here, come to bottom and here you see Universal Serial Bus Controller. Just open this one and from here you see USB Root Hub. Right click on it and update its driver. Search automatically, but if you have driver available onto your system, you can browse your computer for that. I'll search automatically and here it says Windows had determined that the best driver has already been installed. It means I have no problem in here. So I'll just close this one. Now here we also see generic USB hub. Right click on it and update its driver as well. And here it is already installed and updated. So I'm good with both of these. I'll just close this one. And now if you see at the top here it says action. Just click on it and from here scan for hardware changes. I'll just click on it. It will check for all the hardware changes if there is any. Okay, here if you see here it says other devices and here I have some of the drivers that are not recognized. What you can do with these, you can right click on them and you can uninstall these devices because they might be preventing your USB getting recognized in your Windows 10. Make sure you uninstall all of them and then you are good to go. After this step, go to the view at the top bar and look for Show Hidden Devices. Just click on it and here we have all those things appearing here. So just uninstall all of them and you are good to go. I do not want to uninstall them because my USB is working pretty fine and I know what devices are these and why they are here. In your case, if you have not plugged anything else other than your USB, then you should uninstall everything that says unknown in their name. Now, what we need to do, we need to again open our Universal Serial Bus Controller and here we'll also see some of the unknown devices. In my case, I only have one and here it says unknown USB device, device descriptor request failed. So in your case, you might see more than one. Right click on it and click on uninstall device and it will solve the problem that you are facing. So we are done with this one. I'll just close my device manager and now what we need to do, we need to look for power and sleep settings. So I'll just search for power and sleep settings. Here they are. I'll just open this and from here under the related settings, click on additional power settings. It will open a new window like this. From here, go to change when the computer sleeps. From here, click on change advanced power settings and it will open a window like this. Here you see we have USB settings. Open this, again open this further and here make sure you have both of them enabled on battery and plugged in as well. I'll just click on it and in your case, if it is disabled, click on enable and make sure you enable both of them and then click on apply and click on OK. Now I'll just close this one. Now I'll show you that how you can run device diagnostic to apply the repairs. And it will also help you in order to get rid of problem that you are facing with respect to your USB device. Just look for PowerShell and open it as an administrator. After that, you have to run a command in it and the command is well, in my Windows, this feature is not available because the version of Windows I'm using that does not support this feature. In your case, this might help you to run system diagnostic and it will help you to get rid of that problem. Now I'll just close this one, and at the end I'll show you one more thing that you can do, and that is you can restore your system to the last restore point. For that purpose, press Windows plus R key onto your Windows and then right here RSTRUI and click on OK. Here it says restore system files and settings. Click on next, and here I have the restore point that I have created earlier. Just click on it, click on next and click on finish. What it will do, it will restore your Windows 10 to the last point and with every setting that you had earlier onto that system restore point. This will help you to get rid of the problem that you are facing. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope now that you might get rid of the problem by applying all these fixes, and I'm sure that one of the fix will work in your case. Please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.